How you going, guys? Ollie's from Ollie's Workshop. Today we've got a Pilson tractor with a transmission problem. So these are the pedals which have got these sort of swaged keyways on them, and they engage in this plastic gear. Unfortunately, at least one side is a bit hard to tell because it's right in the middle, but it's gouged out the inside, so it slips all the time. So I was initially thinking that the point of this key drive system was that this pinion could float side to side a little bit just to maintain chain alignment, but I did try pinning it. So I've drilled a hole through, as you can see there, and one in the pedal arm, and that seems to run okay. I've got the hole slightly off, so I'm just going to have to shorten both the inner bits of the pedals. So I'll pin the other side as well once I've got all my spacings correct, find out where to put it and try and get it right this time. Then we've got the rear, which I'm not sure if it's supposed to do this, but we've effectively got a differential here, except that it's not. One wheel slips and one wheel's driven. Is that deliberate, or has that actually just chewed its way through? I'm going to have to take this wheel off and see how it all engages. Bollocks. So that's a solid axle that goes all the way through to this wheel, but there's no keying into the wheel, so it won't drive it. I'll just put that back together. So this first pinhole I got slightly in the wrong place when I drilled it, so it meant I had to chop off a bit of each of these pedal arms just so that these side flanges will actually sit down in their recesses. But what it means is that all butts up together. I've drawn a line on the red flange where it sits, so I now know where I can drill in there. Well, so that was a relatively straightforward repair. Fiddly because it was blind most of the time, so I couldn't really see what I was doing, but essentially 2 pins stops those flats from slipping inside the plastic gear. Hopefully that will work for a few more years until the children grow out of it. So I'm making the assumption that everyone who watches me has also watched Cutting Edge Engineering. If you haven't, fantastic channel, go and check it out. I don't expect Curtis will ever watch this, but if you have, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching, see you next time.